Hey everyone, Joe back with another awesome cook. Today we have a big tomahawk from fasteak.com, and right off the bat I can tell you I wasn't happy with this cut of meat, but I'll get into that more later. To start off, I'm going to just dry it all off as best I can with some paper towels, and then season it up with one of my favorite seasonings for steak, Jack Stack barbecue rub. This rub has a ton of flavor, and I've been using it on steak cuts whenever I want to kick it up a notch from the regular salt and pepper I usually go with. So back to the steak. I got sucked into buying this steak off of an Instagram promotion for a free tomahawk with my order. And being the impulsive person I am, I went to the website and submitted my order. I definitely should have looked up reviews on fasteak.com before doing that. They are not good. To start, every steak I received was smaller than what they had listed on the website. A couple ounces here and there usually isn't a big deal, but when all is said and done, I was missing an entire steak worth of weight. I really wish I would have just stuck with my local butcher and got some better quality meat. Once I got it all seasoned up, it was time to head out to the Chargriller 980. I had it at 225 degrees with some pecan wood for the smoke, and I'm aiming for an internal temp of 135 before taking it off to sear. Now you can just have steak for dinner, but whenever I fire up the smoker, I like to try and load it up. So I'm going to make some barbecue baked beans to put next to my steak. I'm going to start off with some thick cut bacon, and you want to slice this up into bite-sized pieces. If you're liking these cooks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video to help out the YouTube algorithm. I also remembered while slicing, I had one of the magical YouTube knives, so just a little tap here, and done. So I'm going to get all the bacon into the hot cast iron skillet to start getting it nice and crispy. The other main ingredient for this dish is the beans, of course, and then apple pie filling. This will give a nice sweet kick. Once I get all the cans open, I start chopping up the apple pie into bite-sized pieces. Once we are all chopped up and the bacon is cooked how you like it, simply add all the ingredients together in the skillet and mix it up. Side note, I definitely won't be using this camera angle again. Once everything's mixed together, add in the barbecue sauce of your choice and it's ready for the smoker. Next time I'm going to go with a more spicy barbecue sauce so I can have a more spicy and sweet side. So I put the beans right into the smoker with the tomahawk and headed back inside to prep the last dish, some smoked garlic toast. This recipe is super easy. All you need is some frozen garlic bread, cream cheese, seasoning of your choice. I use Cosmos sp&g, and some cheese. You want to start off by wrapping some foil on your baking sheet for easy cleanup, and laying out all your garlic bread. I use the Walmart brand with no extra cheese. Once you have everything set up, you simply spread a nice layer of cream cheese on the bread, season with some sp&g or seasoning of your choice, and lay down a layer of cheese. Once you have one done, if you clap your hands loud enough and believe, the barbecue gods will finish the rest for you. Once I was done prepping the bread, it was time to remove the tomahawk from the smoker, and I just placed the bread where the steak was and then gave the beans a good mixing before shutting the lid. I had started the charcoal for searing the steak beforehand, but I didn't start it quite early enough. I should have started the charcoal earlier and really let it heat up before searing the steak, but my timing was a little off and dinner was fast approaching. I knew, however, that after the steak got on the grill, the fat would render down and drip into the coals and start some fire flare-ups, and that gave me the nice finish I was looking for. Next time I'll try to plan the timing a little bit better, but my videos are all made around our actual dinners we eat. I don't plan my day around my YouTube cooks, I plan my YouTube cooks around our dinners. Another thing I learned in this video was that my camera angles suck. Definitely won't be using this one again either. But once I was happy with the finish on my steak, I placed some butter on top of it and put it to sleep in a little foil tent for a little nap before slicing. So to end this cook, I have to say the steak had some good flavor, but it was very chewy. Reading some more reviews from fasteak.com, a lot of people had the same quality of steak. The fat was also very yellow in color, which some people have told me could indicate that this cut was from an old dairy cow, not a cow raised specifically for steak. I definitely will not be ordering from them again. However, the smoked garlic bread and barbecue baked beans turned out awesome, but maybe a little too sweet on the beans, but you can always adjust that by changing the barbecue sauce if you try it. Thanks again for watching, and if you're interested in more barbecue videos, I'll leave them linked here. My barbecue chicken lollipops are a huge hit for my family, so consider giving that video a watch. Thanks!